PAWS claim to exchanges is now live. The moment we've been waiting for is now here. So you can do your claim right now to exchanges. So all you need to do is to connect your Phantom wallet by going through the PAWS website. Don't go through any other website. PAWS website, that is PAWS.community, and then you come to this very TG dashboard. If you come right here, then you click on this very next button. It will take you to this very claim option. You can see that claim is now very active. And then if I click on claim, it will take me to this very terms and condition. Obviously, most of us, we don't read terms and condition, including myself sometimes, but this very one, I will read it after. So ensure you read your terms and conditions. So I'll click on this and then I'll click continue. And the next thing is withdraw options, centralized exchanges. So ensure you withdraw to your desired centralized exchange. As you can see, on-chain withdrawal is not available, which will be available very soon. If you click on centralized exchange, on this page, we have two options. We have Bybit and Bitget. Any of this is okay. So choose the one that you have an account with. And for me, I'll be using Bitget. So I'll click on Bitget. And do you have a Bitget account? I do. So I'll click on this. If you don't, create one. And I will click on yes, I do. So what we need to do here is I have to copy my PAWS address on Bitget and come right here and paste it. And my Bitget UID, and I will paste it right here. Very important. And the mistake people make is that they will copy their UID and paste it here, and copy their address and paste it here, which is very wrong. So don't do that. If you do it, you will not receive your PAWS because they will send that your PAWS to a wrong address, not even an address. Okay, so which is very, very important. So do it the right way. So all I need to do right now is to go back to my Bitget account. Okay, go to assets on Bitget right here. I will go to assets, and under assets I will click on add phone. As you can see right here, add phone. So add phone and deposit crypto. This one, deposit crypto. The next thing is I will search for PAWS right here. It's already here, but you can just go ahead and search for PAWS. It will bring it out, this, and if you click on it, you discover that it will bring out the address for PAWS. Of course, we know that PAWS is on the Solana network, so you see Sol, and this is the address, deposit address right here. So this is what you need to copy, and copy it rightly. And I will just copy it right here, and you see copied, and I will go back this very area that the right deposit address. I will paste it. Okay, I will paste my deposit address here, and then I will go back again and copy my Bitget UID. So my Bitget UID is right at this very point. I will click on this very avatar. So if I click on this very avatar right at this very point, and you can see my Bitget UID right at this very point. So in your case, you're going to have your own as well, but ensure you copy it rightly. So I will copy this. After copying, I will go back and paste my Bitget UID. One thing you need to do is to ensure that your UID is correct by verifying it maybe 1 or 2 times, and ensure this is the right wallet. Very important. Please don't paste this one right here and paste this one right here. If you do so, you're going to lose your PAWS. You're not going to get the deposit, and this is very important. So I will click on continue, and once this is done, and that is it, and you can change it anyway, which is very important. Click on change address if you want, or if you discover that the address you put here is wrong, or your UID is wrong, you can click on this very change address, and this is very important. So right here, I will click on continue, and then I will click on right at this point confirm, which is very, very simple. So once I confirm, you see done. You will receive your token in your Bitget account before trading starts. This is a very important information. You need to read it, and that is just it. So I'll click on finish, and I am done. Now, one thing very important here as well is that if you see this here, it is called my allocation was 78,000 pounds, but now they say what I will receive is 75, which means they've collected fee, which I think is 30%, which is very important. So in your case, they will also collect fee from what you already have. I think somebody raised this question in one of our community reaction, and I said PAWS is going to take the fee from the PAWS that we already have in our balance, and that is exact same thing they do right here, which is also very fine instead of asking for another token or coin. If you come to the PAWS X page and you read this, claim your PAWS, and this very information right here is very important. Open till March 16, 15 UTC, which means after March 16, 15 UTC, you cannot claim directly to exchange anymore. You can't do that. So therefore, if you want to claim to exchange, please do it before this very date, and that is very important. And after that, on-chain will be available later, but I believe a lot of person want to claim directly to their exchanges instead of on-chain. And this information as well is very important. Deposit PAWS to Bitget Global via PAWS Web and earn extra $5 to $100 PAWS with a total price pool of $204,000 worth of PAWS. And as we see earlier, the claim to exchange end by 16th of this very month, 15 UTC. And if you don't have an account, register right here through the PAWS link. And if you go down also, another one is this very one, which is the launch pool on Bybit. You can deposit on Bybit and participate in the launch pool and get some extra token as well. So this is very important, guys, and let's pay attention to the listing date, which is the 18th of this very month of March 2025. And like I told you guys, my price prediction still remains the same, 0.0005. That is my price prediction. That is where I believe price is going to start from and move upward to 0.005. So 0.305 and 0.205. That is the range I am expecting this very token to be between 24 and 72 hours of listening. And this is very important. So these are all the things we need to pay attention to right now as we wait for this very listen to come on Tuesday. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel with the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more updates and testnet airdrops. The link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Join right now. It is a free channel. Thanks for your support.